Between I and Gideon is that I'm taking tea, he's recording. Thank you.
Okay, guys. Hello, what's up, guys? Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, depending on the time you're watching this video. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Mr. Pet, and today is on Saturday, and I'm in the office. There is really not much happening today, given that it's on Saturday. But I had some work to do, and it's now a short break, and gonna be cooking tea here in the office, and we're gonna be enjoying in a short while. Now, before we start cooking tea in the office, I'm gonna be showing you how the office looks like. I'll not be showing you the whole office, just office kitchen, and as we enjoy. So let's start. So please enjoy the video. Watch to the end. Subscribe, like, and share. I always appreciate your support by liking the video. If you're new, uh, please consider subscribing. And also, if you are coming back to watch this video, thank you for clicking. So let's do this. So guys, just as I told you, we're gonna be cooking tea in the office, and this is the kitchen. Show them the kitchen. This is our kitchen, office kitchen. You can just stand up. And is it fair?
Mm-hmm.
Guys, this is our kitchen. We have a cooking pot here. We have here we have milk, and also we have thermos, which we're gonna be using to put the tea. Also, we have glasses here, but let's concentrate on cooking tea. We also have bread here. So let's start. We wanna be starting by cutting this one. Uh-huh. You can come closer. What do you think? So I start by putting the milk. I can just do all. And also, I turn this one on. It's on.
Mm-hmm.
So, show them how it looks like. So, guys, this is what's going on here. We have milk. We have. Just turned on the cooker, and it's a little bit slow, but we're gonna be going step by step, and we're gonna be seeing what is going on next. Okay. So we get our water from here. I'm going to use this one to get our water. Before we get water, we have a fridge here. Um, the fridge is so much useful. So here we get water to cook our tea. First of all, we put can come closer for the purpose of audio.
Evidence.
Yes, not really evidence, but audio. So guys, we put water here.
How many cups?
Um, you know we like tea so much. Oh.
Yes, you need to
So we have to put enough. We have to put enough water.
more than enough.
Yeah, more than enough.
Mm-hmm.
We have a lot of work to do, so we're gonna be irrigating our throats with tea. two.
Yes.
Guys, I don't have something sugar. Why is wrong?
No, I think
It's
it's okay.
just. Do you think that's enough?
Yes, that's enough.
That's enough.
Yeah.
But the milk was just the big one.
No, we needed conch.
Come.
Yes.
So, guys, uh, what else do we put?
Mm,
We need
tea.
tea leaves.
Yes.
Oh, sorry. We have our tea leaves here. Show them how I put. Come closer. Come closer.
That's quite much.
That's enough?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, that is it. We need our kitchen to look nice. I don't know if this green. I think it's a green. We need our kitchen to look neat and tidy. First of all, we wipe here. Guys, I'm not that really good in kitchen cleaning. But I'm trying. So it should be clean before we start classes, right? Yes. That's it. You can just do this one here. So we'll be using. So we have sugar here. I'm going to put some sugar. It's almost. So I'm going to put some sugar into our tea. That's enough. So guys, we are still here. Uh, we are waiting for the tea to get ready so that we gonna be working on it. Plus this one, I've shown you. Casualties. it's gonna get injured.
It's gonna be messy.
So guys, while the tea is getting ready, I wanna be telling you a story of. This story is about a day. I think it's clear here because of the light. I wanna be telling you a story of a day I was cooking tea here in the office. Same place like the same place. So I told you the story, right?
Mm, no, I don't remember.
You don't remember?
Yes.
So what happened? It was on a Saturday, just like today.
Mhm.
Guys, I'm with my friend here. You wanna say hello?
Hello.
Say hello.
Yeah. Today's on Saturday. Actually, for the first time, I've seen Gideon in the office today. Most of the time, he's an absentee.
Not really, guys.
They are not
I
in the
usually
HR office.
I usually alternate. Like when I come today, next Saturday I'll not come. But it's also depending on the workload that I have. When I have a lot of work, maybe I didn't finish what I was doing on Friday. It a must that I come and finish the work. Now, you said what's your name?
Benaya is my name on
Mhm.
here.
Yes, his name is Bana. It could not have been good if I talk with him here and you guys are not seeing him. So the tea is almost. So I'm telling you the story. It was on a Saturday, uh, and I was here at the office. I think I was alone, and it was 1 p.m. I remember it was 1 p.m. and I was tired. I had a lot of work to do. I had a lot of work. So what happened? It was 1 p.m. So I decided to cook tea. Yeah? And so when after cooking tea, the tea was ready. I took 1 cup, and that day I didn't put the tea on the flask. So the after drinking, I left some on the cooking pot. And I kept on working and concentrated on what I was doing. After like an hour, I decided to come and finish and finish what was remaining. So the tea was not really hot. It was warm. So I decided to pour it. Now, uh, there was a story. There's a say which says in Swahili. Is it in Swahili or in English? It says, it's in English. Do not serve two masters.
At the same time.
That say, that day I learned that it's very true. It's good if you can do one thing at a time. Do this one, after you finish, go to the next. So the tea was boiling, and I'm working on the other side. What happened? I forgot.
When you are cooking,
I forgot that I was cooking, and I forgot that the tea was actually boiling. So what happened? After like an hour or 30 minutes, the tea had boiled, and it was getting finished, and it was getting the pot was getting dry, and I felt there was a smell, a sweet smell, a sugar. You know the smell of sugar when you punch sugar. There's a smell that seems to be sweet. So what happened? There's a club down there. Yeah, there's a club down there, and they usually cook food, street food. So the smell was coming in from the window. So I thought it's the club. I continued doing what I was doing. I concentrated on what I was doing. I worked and worked. After like another 30 minutes, I came to my senses. Oh, I was cooking tea. I was actually boiling tea. Hey, bro, you don't believe what I I found. The cooking pot, this one, in fact, it's the same cooking pot. It was totally dark. It was getting, how can I say it? It was getting spoiled by the fact that the tea was over, and the pot was getting burned. You see?
So you lost meat, you lost
So
water,
I lost tea.
you lost sugar, you lost everything.
And we almost lost the building because
That's terrible. That's terrible.
it was really dangerous.
That was messy.
So it was a lesson learned Do
Exactly.
one thing at a time.
Sure.
Do not be mixing up things. You are doing this, doing this, doing this at a time. One will actually spoil. Okay. So that was the story, and I felt so scared. Like I felt bad because let's say, for example, if third day I forgot and I went home,
Yeah, that could
what could
be
have happened?
that could be terrible. More
It
than
could have
getting
been a different story,
yeah,
right?
more than, yeah.
So it was very, very bad, and I learned a lesson that when you are doing something, do not mix things.
Yes,
Do
completely.
something, do one thing at a time. Finish this one, go to the other, because definitely it's gonna be getting very, very bad. So guys, we're still, that was just a story of what happened. I'm just here. We are just waiting for tea to get ready.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys, the tea is ready, and join us as we serve justice to this justice served. So, that is all you can see here. We are going to enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. It's very nice. So, uh, we have here we have only three, is it four, some ingredients. We have milk, we have water, we have sugar, and tea leaves. I know people may, it depends on how you wish to have your tea. You may have more ingredients like tea masala and all other ingredients that you may have, depending how on how you like your tea, or how you wish your tea to taste. Anyway, we I think I'm going to end the video from here, and tell me in the comment section, um, do you like taking tea, or at what time do you like taking tea, and what are some of the ingredients that you use in making tea. We As we just like a simple cup of tea, like we have only sugar, we have water, we put water, we put milk, we put what else, that is tea leaves. That is just simple. Anyway, talk to me in the comment section. Please like the video if you are new. If you just joined the channel, welcome to the big family. And also, if you are new and you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Okay, my friend, what do you have to say as we end the video?
Yeah, the difference between I and Gideon is that I'm taking tea, he's recording. Thank you.
Okay, guys, that is all. Let me see you in the next video. Of course, when you see me. Bye bye. Love, peace.